Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can add or type Enye in Canva. So I'm going to show you the perfect process and update method. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Just come to the home page. Okay, take your page. I am taking one page here. Okay, so this is my canvas. So let me add one text element. So this is my text, so we can add any. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the uppercase any, and then lowercase. So let me show. First add the your text elements. Just delete that text and hit the control key. Sorry, you need to hit the tap the alt key and hold it. Okay, hold the alt key and hold it and type 0209 and release the alt key. Then you can see this Annie has been created. What you need to add, I will show you in. Okay, what you need to type, alt, you need to press alt and hold it, then type 0209 and release the alt. Okay, so let me show you again. I just add here text here. Just delete text, hold the alt key, press and hold the alt key and type 0209 and release the alt key. Then this uppercase NA will be insert. Now let me show you the lowercase. Okay, let me add one text here, text element. Okay, and now you need to okay, press the alt key, hold it and 0241. Okay, hold the alt key, press it, hold it and type 0241 and release the alt key. Okay, so I just type here, press alt, hold and type 0241. Okay, for this small one. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.